Welcome. Today, we're diving into the Acreus XV5 Executor, a powerful tool designed specifically for Roblox on Android. Let's explore its exciting features. The first step is to download the Acreus XV5 Executor APK. Head to the official website and click the download button. Next, you need to enable installations from unknown sources. Go to your settings and toggle the option to allow installations. Now, find the downloaded APK file and tap to install it. Follow the prompts on your screen. After installation, launch the Acreus XV5 Executor. It should open to a user-friendly interface. Let's take a quick tour of the user interface. Here are the main tools you'll be using for scripting. To start scripting, you'll need to attach the Executor to Roblox. Click the Attach button, and you're good to go. Let's demonstrate a few basic scripts you can try out. Here's how they function in-game. If you run into issues, don't worry. Here are some troubleshooting tips to get you back on track. Thanks for watching. For updates and community support, check the links below. Happy scripting!